Hey everybody, Rick Nappi here, and you know, a lot of people, I figured today I'd switch it up a little bit and we'll have a little fun, okay? So, a lot of people have asked me, whatever happened to Kono, your rescue dog? Well, Kono, my rescue dog, is now my dog because I'm not giving her away. She's beautiful, she's my best friend, and she is the most athletic dog in the world. So, today, look at that tree. Woo! Look at that, huh? That's right. Now, let's see what Kono can do with the tree. Let's see Kono, the super dog. I hope you enjoy it. Now remember, today is a special day because it's Kono's day. So, send her a lot of shouts, a lot of hearts, a lot of thumbs ups, and a lot of comments. And share it with all your friends because this is amazing because your dog can do this too. Believe me, you just got to let it happen, man. Okay, everybody, have a great morning and wait and check this out.